Welcome to our tutorial on using Microsoft OneDrive. OneDrive is a cloud storage service from Microsoft that allows you to store your files securely and access them from virtually anywhere. You can easily back up, share, and collaborate on files. Whether you're a student, professional, or just someone who wants to keep their files organized, it will offer a range of features to suit your needs. It's also very similar to SharePoint, but we'll keep that for another video. Let's quickly go over some of the key features. You can store and access your files from any device with an internet connection. OneDrive apps are available on Android and iOS devices. You can also use file sharing to collaborate on files with others in real time. We'll cover this aspect in a follow-up video. It will also keep your files safe with the autosave feature. A version history for each file, track changes, and restore previous versions of your files without having to incrementally save new files each time. It is also integrated with Office 365. Seamlessly save and access files from Word, Excel, and PowerPoint directly from OneDrive from within the apps. Now let's look at accessing OneDrive. You can view your files online via your internet browser. Simply go to your university email in browser and sign in with your university account. Then from the waffle menu select OneDrive. Here, you can upload, download, and manage your files directly from your browser. We'll look at working from this area in your browser in the following video. However, it is best to view OneDrive in File Explorer. If you have the app running on your computer, your files will appear in your File Explorer, making it easy to drag and drop files just like you would with any other folder on your computer. On university open access machines, OneDrive is set up automatically. Open File Explorer and you'll see OneDrive listed on the left-hand side. Click on it to access your files as you would in File Explorer usually. However, on a personal device, you will need to sign into the app. This can be used alongside a personal account also if you wish. To see if you have the OneDrive app running, click into the system tray on the bottom right corner of your screen. A grey cloud icon indicates a personal account is signed in and a blue cloud indicates that a work or school account is signed in. If you don't see any cloud icons in the system tray, you can run OneDrive from the Start menu, assuming it is installed. If you're using a personal computer and you need to download and install the OneDrive app, here's how you do it. Go to the download page at onedrive.com/download. Download the OneDrive app for your operating system. Run the installer and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. Once installed, sign in with your university account. OneDrive will now appear in your File Explorer window, allowing you to manage your files directly from there. And finally, OneDrive is also integrated into Office 365 apps like Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. If you're working on a document saved in OneDrive, it will enable autosave in the top left corner to ensure your work is saved automatically periodically. This means you'll always keep every change made along the way as well as keeping your documents safe and accessible from any device. When choosing to save a file for the first time, click File, Save. You can double-click a location in the Save As menu to open a File Explorer view of that area for easier selection. Make sure to create or pick a folder within your OneDrive for better organization. That's a brief overview of Microsoft OneDrive. In the next video, we'll look at uploading documents in the browser-based version, sharing your files for collaborative working and version history, so you can see all the previous saves of a file. Thank you for watching.